Hey guys, just going to look at some trades that we're looking at today. FOMO, NOMO on Telegram. Also, the person who's putting together the Happy Profits going to go put about 15 strategies that I personally use that make me current profit. So even from a backside scalp on a forward up, and just a way to look at it in very detail that you can get almost every ounce of that orange to make you some good orange juice. Well, just got a 2370 bounce here. I'm going to go ahead and draw this one today for you of why I looked at it. I just got this bounce right here twice. It actually hit once here, pulled back up, and I put the same order in at 5 times what I put in originally and got it one more time to VWAP. So that's usually a one that you'll get a VWAP bounce, and then a one at the bounce of a previous level that took a little struggle to break through. Trying to symbolize that was resistance, and then now hopefully it's going to at least try a support to VWAP right there. So that's one of the trades. But we're going to go through the list real quick. I'm going to go through pre-market. Pre-market, I woke up, didn't look too good. CDT looks like a buy, or it was a buyout, or not a buyout. It was double topping way early. So if you don't understand what that means, let me go over it for you. Basically, that the buyers tried to push it up twice, and then now it's just making lower lows. So 2 big pushes here, did not break this level up here. Let me go ahead and draw that level for you as well. And that just shows you a double top, okay? Basically 2 stopping points that it could not break. The other support level, if you see here, it bounced, resistance, support, broke resistance after a little bit of fight, and then it basically just tried the double top here, and that would be the next resistance and rejection. So load made some moves today, came out of nowhere. I took just a little bit of this trade, didn't trust it because it had no news. Now it has news. Probably news that it's going up. Well, yeah, that was a little late. They did not have the information when it was making this move. But again, here's another double top if you want to look at it. And let me just describe what's going on, so you can understand where I'm going to come from if you do decide to take some classes. That the buyers are pushing it. The last push is not as strong. And then it just goes down, and now we base, and now we have a higher low, and then we'll have one more play at VWAP. So if you want to look at this play, I'm going to tell you, let me push enter. You could have had this play. You could have had this play very easy. I know that play very well because you'll see it tweezle top. I did take this play, and I only got a little bit of this play because I did not see the news, and it looks like it's gone already. So maybe after you click it. And then we're going to go to the one day. One day had a couple of delayed ones. Apps ran pretty good. What you'll see is I draw fibs right here. You'll see this ascending wedge. You got to get used to seeing it. A lot of it, I would go back and just watch some old ones right here. And it makes a very big impulsive move after a decision of not breaking out. Otherwise, it could have broke down. But this level just doesn't really mean it's not going anywhere. And you have 3 levels like that. That's actually a platform of candles. And now you have a longer play, and it might just break it here. Let me draw a trend line for you. Right here, and you still have the buyers that are holding their shares. They're not getting rid of them so quickly. So you look at one more buyout, and the only reason I say that is it really hasn't hit target 2 yet, and you'll understand that as well. Let me go ahead and go through down the list. Yeah, this one right here, XPEL. Good earnings. If you notice it right here, I'll draw my fibs for you. You'll understand why. There's your target 2 there every time. VSAT did a good play. Just got that VWAP bounce I told you, and the bounce at a previous level. So you'll learn those trades. And you're basically going to have to learn a lot of trades, because if you come up here, and I did not chase this. I did not know this stock. And now it's running. Now you got volume coming in. You went from 1 share in the pre-market to a lot of shares right here and no news. And now I know how to play the backside. So even if I miss trades, you're going to get some backside trade. This one was 70 cents right here. And it's actually almost a full dollar there. Because look, 23.50 to 24.82. There's a $1.30 swing there. So that's a good one. Apps looks like it's still kind of rejecting there. If it's trying to go across and some other indicators are going down, you're going to be ahead of the game because you're going to understand that it tried to boost a run, but it's not. And that's the ones not to get in. If they're not showing you enough strength you just let it go. So just let you know that's a big thing. What else? We had OGEN. I remember that was from pre. I don't think it ended up doing too well. Well, it's not even on the list anymore. But anyway, what you want to do is you want to start just identifying this if I were to tell you to do anything. Because this is the biggest thing. Are you seeing this? Which is no problem. As long as these are big enough swings from here to here, I'm fine with that. That is exactly what I did yesterday with Lumen. So let's go check out Lumen real quick, and I'll move on. LUMN. Looks like it's going down today. You'll see a lot of lines I'm going to have to get rid of. But look what it did yesterday. It did this over and over again. What I just said. So it broke down from a big run up in after hours. And then you'll see these two big yellow lines. You'll see it resist, support. Resist, support. Further support. Support again. So even on that channel trade, with my trading tactics, you're going to sit there and be able to make 80 cents on a stock that you might see chop. I don't see chop because I zoom in and see what's going on. And I know when to get out of these tops. I know when to get in the bottoms. So hope y'all reach out one day and y'all have a good one. Thank you so much.